Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a friend request on FIFA Mobile. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're playing the FIFA Mobile for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels when you open up the game. Once you have completed these levels, you will be allowed to choose a home team as well as set up your username. After choosing your team and setting your username, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can immediately start playing. Now you can add any friends by tapping on the friends icon at the top right corner, from which you will be shown your various game friends. If you wish to add someone, you can tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and you will be able to add various individuals as friend from the recommended section or by also searching for them by using their username from the search tab. Now if someone has sent you a friend request, then you will get a notification about this request within the news section at your homepage or within the messages icon. You can simply tap on the friend request to open it up and you will see the accept or reject button. Just tap on the accept button for the friend request that you wish to accept and this person's friend request will be accepted and they will be added onto your friend list right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept a friend request on FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.